Good morning, dear children. Today our topic is rounding off numbers. Okay. So what is rounding off? Rounding off means approximate value of tens, hundreds, thousands, and lakhs, and so on. Okay. Now I will tell you one small story. Two friends. Suppose you Raghu and Radhika. Two friends went to shopping, and they purchased 452 rupees of household things, and Radhika also purchased 458 rupees of things. Okay, but here shopkeeper uh, didn't deal with change. Shopkeeper don't have change for 2 rupees. That's why shopkeeper took amount 450. Okay, here also Radhika 458 rupees actually amount she purchased, but he paid amount was 460 rupees. Why? These two are 450 and here 460. Shopkeeper we net amount 450 and 460. These two are approximate value. Okay, approximate value means not exact value. It's a estimation value. Okay, so why shopkeeper took this amount means here 452 rupees is he took round off nearest to tens. That's why 452 is nearest to 450. Next 458 is nearest to 460. Here shopkeeper uh, take nearest to tens value. That's why here 450 and 460, these two friends are paid amount. Now we have to discuss about what are the rules of rounding of numbers. Okay, so here 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Total 9 digits we have in number system. Already you know that. Okay, children. Next, in this rounding of numbers, there are two groups. Here 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4 is a one group. This is group 1. And here 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, this is group 2. Totally there are two groups. Okay, here 1, 2, 3, 4. These digits are less than to 5. Okay, observe carefully. 1, 2, 3, 4. 0 also less than to 5 only. And here 6, 7, 8, 9. These digits are greater than to 5. Okay, so here 1, 2, 3, 4 is very closer to 0. 1 becoming 0, 2 becomes 0, 3 becomes 0, 4 becomes also 0. Okay, we assume that these anywhere these numbers are appear means these digits becomes 0. And here 6 means 10, 7 means also 10, 8 becomes 10, 9 becomes 10. Why? Because these numbers are greater than to 5. That's why these numbers are going to next multiple of 10. Okay, next. Round off numbers nearest to tens. First of all, we find out nearest to tens. Okay, children. Here I took one example. 80, 81, 82, 83, 84, 85, 86, 87, 88, 89, 90. Okay, so I want 83 nearest to tens. But what is the nearest to tens of 83? So 83 is nearest to 80 or 90. It is very easy. 83 is nearest to 80. Why? Because here 83, 8 after ones tens. First you write places. Here 83 means, but this is ones and this is tens. Okay, so only we find nearest to tens only. We have tens places up to tens places only. 8 after what is the digit here in ones place? 3. So 3 is group 1 or group 2? Group 1. Okay, so group 1 means what is the condition? The 3 is less than to 5. So you should add 3 becomes 0. So 83 is nearest to 10s means 80. Come here. Next, I want to find 87 nearest to tens. So 87. 87 is nearest to 90. Why? Because here also 8 after 7. So 7 is group 2. I mean greater than to 5. 7 means. So you should add 1 plus 2, 8. So 90 and next number will be 0. That's why 87 is nearest to 90. Okay. Here do some problems here. Find round of nearest to tens of below numbers. Okay. So what is the round of tens to 34? 34 means, observe here ones tens. So tens before ones place you see. Okay. 4. 4 means less than to 5. So what I told, what is the condition? Less than to 5 means you should add 4 become means 0. That's why 3 means 0. 30. Here also 98 ones tens. Okay, in ones place 8. So 8 means greater than to 5. So what we do? Greater than to 5 means we should add plus 1. Okay, plus 1 to 9. Okay, and 8 will be also 0. So 100. Next 75. 75 also 7 after 5. So 5 also it will be greater than or equal to. Okay, so 75 also nearer to 80. 64. Okay, 64 also. Here 4 is less than, means 4 will become 0. But 6 not changed. When in ones place digit greater than to 5 means, then tens place also changed. Otherwise no. And next 56. 56. Here in ones place 6. Okay. So 6 greater than to 5. Then that's why we should add plus 1 to tens place 6. And 6 will become 0. 60. 45. 45 also same. It is nearer to 50. Next rounding of nearest to hundreds. This is understood, children. And next rounding of nearest to hundreds. Same. Above as same. I took 200, 210 up to 300 numbers I took. Okay. Then how to find nearest to hundreds? Here suppose I want to do 240 nearest to hundreds. How to find 240 nearest to hundreds? What is the number? 200 here, here 300. But 240 is nearest to 200. Why? Because here ones, tens, hundreds. Okay. But in hundreds place before tens place you see. So what is number here? 4. So 4 means less than to 5. That's why less than to 5 means you should add zeros. That's why it is nearest to 200. Okay. Next here also 270. So 270 is nearest to 300. 2 is in hundreds place. 7 is in tens place. So 7 is less than or greater than to 5. It is greater than to 5. So what we do? Greater than to 5 means plus 1 added to hundreds place. So plus 1 means here 3. Remaining 2 digits will become zeros. That's why 270 is nearest to 300. Okay. Next, find 367 nearest to hundreds. What is the 367 nearest to hundreds? First of all, you write place values, ones, tens, hundreds. Okay. In hundreds place 3 is there. 6 is in tens place. Hundreds place before you, in tens place you see. This is very important. 6. So 6 is greater than to 5. So greater than to 5 means what you do? Remember that rule. Greater than, if any number is greater than to 5 means you should add hundreds place plus 1. After 2 numbers will be 0. Okay, then this becomes 400. Okay. Next, come here. 434 to nearest to hundreds. Here 434. Okay, ones, tens, hundreds. Okay, here 4, and next in tens plus 3 is, so 3 is less than to 5. So what is the rule? Remember rule. Okay, now less than to 5 means what you do, remaining 2 zeros will be exactly 0. So 4 not changed, less than 5 means, okay, that's why 400. Okay children, and next exercise 1.2. okay, round off numbers following numbers to the nearest to tens. First of all, 89. What is the number nearer to 89? 89. I already told na, 89 is nearer to 80 or 90. 90 only. Why? Because 8 after 9. So 9 is greater than to 5. So that's why 1 should be added to 8 and 9 will become 0. 90. Here also 415. How to find here? Here 3 digits. Here places are up to hundreds, but you find only nearest to tens. Okay, so ones, tens, hundreds. Here we find nearest to tens only. You don't take hundreds place value. You take only 15, only tens place value only. 415 nearest to. We don't want 4. Why? Because it is hundreds place. That's why 15. 15 is nearest to 20. Okay, 4 not changed. So 420. Next, do this children. These two problems you have to find nearest to tens. Next, find the following nearest to hundreds. Okay, 695. 695 is nearest to 6 after 9. You see 9. So 9 is greater than to 5. That's why you added to 9 plus 1 before, plus 1 added to 1, and remaining will be 0. So 700. Okay now. And next, 36,152. Here we have 10,000 places. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s. Okay, so but we find only hundreds place value only. That's why you took only hundreds place. Ones, tens, hundreds, these 3 places only you to take. Okay, 36 you don't want to, just you write 36, no change. But 152, 1 after 5 is there. Okay, so totally this is 152 is nearest to 200. Why? Because here 5 also this come to, you added 2 plus 1 and remaining 2 digits will be 0. Okay, next do these two problems, find nearest to hundreds. Okay now children, must and should do. And next, rounded off numbers to nearest to thousands. And let us take here one example, 3415. What is the rounded nearest to thousands? Here ones, tens, hundreds, thousands. Okay, this is only up to 1000 places. So I have to find what is the approximate value. See, same as above. How to find nearest to tens, how to find nearest to thousands, like this same only you have to do. 3000. Okay, 3 before number, you see what is the number here? 4. So 4 is less than to 5. That's why you added to zeros. Okay, that's why what is the number become 3000. Understood children? Here I wrote rule. Why? Because how 3000 was came. Next, 70,124. So 70,000, this is up to 10,000 places only. You see properly here, ones, tens, hundreds, thousand, 10,000. Okay children, but what is the nearest to tens? Okay, 70,124 means here in thousands place is 0. 0 will become 0 only. Okay, that's why we took all zeros here. These are all numbers are less than to 5. That's why we should add all zeros, 70,000. Next, like this same, you have to do 8,765 and 3,429. Find 2 nearest to 2 thousands. Okay children.